Everyone, welcome back to this channel once again. So I'm really excited to share a lot of my learnings with you all. Okay, so each time I shoot this video, I'm really excited to come in front of you and share learnings from my journey, what I have learned. So in this video, I'm going to give you a career hack. Okay, so guys, this career hack is going to be so useful for you in your career. Okay, I really hope someone told me this years ago. It would have taken to my new height. It would have helped me meet new people, obviously, right? Because your work speaks for yourself, trust me. Okay, see, I really understand your communication is and everything. These are really useful, but your works are something like it's like an asset for yourself. Your works are something which people are going to discuss about you even when you're not in the room, right? Even if you're in your absence, it's because of your work that people are going to discuss about you. That is the power of your work. Your proof of work, whatever you have done, right? So now, if you're someone who are good at speaking, right, you are a great communicator. Even that is a skill, right? You can do that. You can start a podcast. You can create YouTube videos, right? So you just have to prove that I'm good at it, and this is the proof of it, right? So yeah, let's start this video. I'm going to give you this hack. So I guess most of you know about this hack, but still, just let me just give you reiterate this, and give you one more new perspective on this. So guys, most of you you are watching this. I guess you are in college, okay, or maybe in your career you are a working professional, right? So if you're a student, okay, this video is especially for you. Okay, if you're in college, if you're learning new skill, right? Even if you're not in college but you're learning new skill, this video is for you. Okay, so try to understand this. Okay, so guys, not a single person currently, not anyone in this world, at least the one they are paying a lot of money, okay, they are not hiring people based on what you have learned. Okay, so they are hiring based what you can do. Okay, they are hiring based on the fact that yes, this person can bring this value onto the table, right? So the simple way to explain this here is, say for example, for the writing. Okay, let's take an example of writing. So if I'm someone, when I'm telling, hey, I have done this email marketing course and I'm a genius, right? I know this thing really well, so try me out, right? So the other person sitting in front of me, they might say, what does that even mean? Can you show us? Can you show some of the example that I have done? Right? So that is where your proof of work comes in. That is where your project comes in, right? Now with this simple email writing course, I can give you so many ideas to work on, guys. So let's take an example. There's this maybe there could be this random product. Okay, say for example you have invented, or maybe there is this product who is manufacturing phones, right? Smartphones. Now your job is to sell that iPhone or set that phone, right? Now your job is to write an email to someone and tell them, hey, we have launched this new product and you can try it out. This is one of the way writing your email, right? So this is where you're simulating the whole scenario, right? And you're trying to create your proof of work, right? So this is one of the example. Now the other form of writing would be creating a website for it. Now for the website part, there is a content again, right? We have to go put it out, put contents out there, right? So this is again a form of writing, right? So again, coming back to the email course now, this for the mobile one, I know you have already understood it, right? Also at times, what if someone tells you, hey, I have come up with this beverage product, so can you sell this to a B2B, right? So B2B here would be, say for example, someone who is going to purchase your product, right? So B2B are the one who are, say for example, they are the one they are the organization, right? So they are buying product from other companies, right? So they are not consumer, so there are different type of product again. So again, these are all part of marketing and understanding product and their stages, right? Currently, if this product is currently currently marketing to the customer, or their or they are marketing or they are trying to market it to the businesses, right? So that is where you have to understand which customer segment this product is targeting, right? Again, this is again very specific to email marketing thing. Okay, so this, all of these skills, it has depth. Okay, so let me try to explain this here. Okay, so for example, this is a skill. Okay, so for this, using this skill, right, you can create, so this is you can create multiple projects, right? This is your proof of work. Okay, so these are nothing but the depth of it, right? So currently, when you are at the you are at the surface, when you're just saying that, hey, I have learned this skill, maybe a small how this thing work and everything. But when you tell that, when you can show people that, see, I have done something, this is 10 email sequence that I have written for this particular product. So that is where magic happens. That is when the other person sitting in front of you, they'll listen to you, they'll take you seriously, guys, and that is the best feeling in the world. Okay, that is so again, now coming back to the second one, right? This is the first one, right? So you create one project, right? So similarly, with one skill, you can create multiple projects, right? So for example, if it's a email writing, you can write email for say product one, okay? You can write email for product P1, product one, okay? You can write email for product two, right? Product two. Then you can write email for product 3, right? So this way you can create multiple project for your skills, right? Whatever you have learned, right? So this again for the email marketing, it could be for design, it could be for development, it could be for marketing, growth, and a lot of other stuff. So there are so many projects that you can take, like you can just build, you can just do. And now one more thing, okay, building is not just about like tech stuff, coding and stuff, okay? It's not that, okay? You can create projects, you can design projects, you can build projects. So there are each and every skill that you learn has its own way of showcasing their project, right? So for example, I'm a photographer, okay? So now I love clicking pictures, right? So now I do brand photo shoots, right? So all the pictures that you see on the internet, okay, that you see on the social media pages, that you see on the company website and everything, so someone has done it, right? So even that is a part of work, even that is a proof of work, right? So always you have to understand that each and every skill, say for example, anything that you see in front of you, try to understand, okay, now what are the number of people, that has been involved in that, right? So for example, if I see any sort of product in my say for example, I have this keyboard in front of me, right? So I can see, okay, this keyboard, this color has done by someone, okay, the manufacturing has been done by someone, right? The architecture of this keyboard has been has someone has done it, right? So they came up with the design of it, okay, we're going to make this keys this much small, this much big, okay? Someone came up with the curvature of it, right? How much curve it is going to be, right? Someone came up with the prototype of it, right? So now the design is ready. What's next? The next step would be making the prototype of it, right? So creating a solid project, okay? Also you have to take care of the weight, and then obviously someone also came up with the circuit and everything, right? So there are a lot of people involved. So again, guys, this is something you have to be curious about. This is something nobody can teach you, right? Unless you are curious about the world, right? So nobody else can teach you, right? So curiosity is your only compass, so that is when you are going to learn a lot of things. So I remember back in my colleges, I was curious about a lot of things. I don't know, I feel I'm such a byproduct of this internet, because all of the things that I've learned, it was all a simple keyword away. You have to know the right keyword. This is where all the books that you have read, all the this is where your academics helps you, at least for me, right? So all the things that I've learned in my academics, somewhere it was on my mind, right? So I know the right keyword to find anything, right? So now when I put this on the internet, I search for it, I find it. So I believe whatever you have learned in your career, these are going to help you anyway in your life, okay? It's just you are the person who has to take care, okay, how you have to leverage it. Now this is again I don't know if this video is going to be is becoming complex for you, but again, the career hack was whatever you are learning, try to create something out of it, whatever it is, okay? Whatever you are learning, just try to create some projects out of it, okay? Guys, you leverage internet, leverage YouTube, okay? Because on the YouTube, you will find a lot of things, okay? I believe everything that you search for, you will find at least 1 or 2 videos of it, okay? Anything you want to learn, okay? It just, the scarcity here is your zeal, okay? Your will to learn, okay? Your passion to learn for it. And this is something the society won't teach you, right? Unless you're paying for it. And that is why I guess human pay for it, right? Because when you're paying for it, maybe to the institute, maybe to the online courses, that's when you're accountable, hey, I have invested my money there, now I have to learn. But the people who are actually who are actually able to generate this drive from inside them, right? So even if I haven't paid for it, but I am the best person to learn it the best way, right? You have to have that energy inside you, right? So again, this is not bluff or anything, because this is from my personal experience, okay? I've taken every learnings in my life in this way. Whenever I'm working on some project, I try to put my best effort, so that it's really beautiful, it's really good. So whenever people see it, they will appreciate, or they will say, okay, this is something really nice, okay? So again, it doesn't happen one day, right? It will take some time, okay? So like the hack here is to like do again and again, okay, practice again and again, take feedback from people, okay, and try to compare yourself with the like global standard product, okay. That is when you're going to improve yourself, right? So I hope this video is going to be useful for you, like, and if this is useful, please share it with your friend, okay. It will help them as well, okay. Also please support me, okay. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.